Hi, this specific video is to help you prepare for CAT 22, specifically the verbal section. I've already made a video for general preparation for CAT, for CON, for DLR, and this is the fourth video in the series for verbal section. This is specifically if you're starting from November 21, how do you plan your preparation? So if you look at the verbal section, there is 70% of verbal is reading comprehension, RCs. 10% is para summary. So all this 80% of the questions are directly based on reading. So that means almost most of the paper is purely based on reading. And rest is odd man out and parajumbles. If you notice, there is no question on grammar and there is no question on vocabulary. Not grammar, not vocabulary. Purely reading becomes the most important part of the paper. 80% of paper is directly linked to reading. Even odd man out and parajumbles normally is helped if you read a lot. It does help. So that means when you're preparing, focus on reading. And reading becomes the most important part of your entire preparation for CAT. Because somewhere does help in your understanding of logic questions, DI questions and maths questions. So read. I would first suggest to make a good habit of reading. If you don't have a habit of reading, ensure that you have a habit of reading. So read something that you like. So maybe novels, maybe articles, or maybe sports, or maybe whatever you like. So 0.5 to 1 hours on something that you enjoy reading. If you don't know what books to read, I normally recommend every month 4 books. You can go to the recommended books that I mentioned and pick up one of those books and read. Apart from that, I would recommend also read one newspaper editorial a day. So maybe reading will take approximately 1 hour of your time, but do read. Reading is the most important part of your preparation. If you don't do anything else in the entire year, just focus on reading throughout the year, your verbal will be taken care of. And it will also help you with the other sections as well. So read. And the first step to reading is making a good habit of reading by reading what you enjoy. If you're not comfortable with vocabulary, you can do a little bit of word list and word power made easy. So you can either do word list, one or two. Or there's a book called now from Norman Lewis, Word Power Made Easy. Both these book things will help you maybe in your development of words. So pick up whatever you're comfortable with. If you're looking purely exam point of view, maybe word list could be better. Okay, but otherwise, generally looking at improving your vocabulary, then maybe word power made easy. So check out which book you're comfortable and you can look at it. I hope this helps you to plan in the verbal section. You don't have to do anything else apart from reading. If you read regularly, your verbal is taken care of. And focus on reading what you enjoy to create a good habit of reading. Hope that helps. Thank you.